doing 40 days and 40 nights. Strange times, you can see it in my eyes. Suicide when I'm pushing my ride. Open wide for me, then it's bye-bye. Change minds, I can never change time. Oh my, I don't see the
Yo, what is up, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in to the very first episode of Mix Masters. I'm Jerome James Jr. You can just call me Jerome. Now, just to give you, since this is the first episode, I really kind of want to give some background as to what this channel is going to be about, although you may already have an idea based on the name. But this channel is going to be about mixing and mastering, making beats, making music, all that good stuff. And I really want to walk you guys through my processes because, you know, throughout my time producing, I've realized that there are a lot of different ways to do the same different things. I got my start just watching YouTube producers like In The Mix, Busy Work Beats, all those guys, great guys. Shout out to y'all. And really seeing how they work, it really inspired me to start up my own channel. So that's what we're doing. I do use FL Studio Fruity Loops for all of you who are wondering what DAW I use. I might do some gear reviews, do some review stuff like that. But for the most part, we're just gonna be making beats, and I'm gonna be showing you guys my processes and really a community where we learn from each other. I would love to see you guys being active in the comments. You know, if I'm doing something that you've never seen before, feel free to tell me. If you guys have a better way to do something that you see me doing, feel free to tell me that as well. You know, some more background about me musically. I've played guitar since I was 10 years old. I'm 23 now. I just graduated college. Back in May, woohoo, go Trojans. Yeah, I just graduated college and I lived in the dorms, really for my first about 2.5 years, lived in the dorms. And after that, I really wanted to do music very badly. So I used my refund check, one of my student refund checks, to get a bunch of studio equipment and stuff like that with this dream of becoming a musician and doing what I've always wanted to do. And that's what I did. So that's part of the reason I'm here today. And yeah, welcome to the channel. I know a lot of you guys are probably started out just like me, you know, making music, wanting to make music. You probably do make music in your bedroom. So a lot of the things that you guys see me doing are going to be catered to the bedroom producer, those guys who don't have a whole lot of money to get all this expensive equipment, because I sure didn't, but the sound is still quality. Most of the stuff you see me working on will be music that I make myself because, like I said, I do make music. I'm on Spotify, Apple Music, all the streaming platforms. You can look me up, Jerome James Jr. And I'll be giving you guys some links to my music as well, since, you know, you guys are going to see me working on beats from my music. I do have a website that I'll be sharing with you guys. I just got it up yesterday, mixmasters360.com. Feel free to go check it out. We're still in development in some areas. Gonna be posting a lot of content on there, beats that I don't do myself, or beats that I don't use myself. I'll be posting them on my website so you guys can purchase beats from me. I've got more producers too that are interested in helping me do this channel and create this community, so you're going to be hearing words from them too. I know some fantastic producers around the city of Little Rock, and some of them know a great deal, even way more than me. You know, like, I learned from a bunch of people. So yeah, we're going to create a nice community where we can come together. Thanks so much for tuning in to the very first intro episode. In the next episode, we're gonna get to work. We're gonna do some crazy stuff, guys. So stay tuned. Thanks.